Alright, what's up guys? It's Anthony, and sorry I look like a mess. I just got off work, just filmed the intro video, and now I'm gonna go ahead and install the fan. Just figure I might as well knock all this out while I'm out here. And it's really hot, so I apologize if I get sweaty and look like trash. But let's go ahead and get on into this fan. Like I showed in the previous video, I guess the wire got stuck in the back of the fan and got all ripped up, so they just cut the thing off. So the plug's right here, and I got the new fan. But let's go ahead and get on into this, I guess. It's pretty easy install. This is kind of a how-to, just slash build series on the Jeep and just maintenance and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this old fan out. And yeah, I'm gonna also just disconnect the battery because I need to pull the wire out that they have stuffed in there. So we just need a 1/2 wrench so we can take the battery terminal loose, pull that wire, and they've used zip ties right there. So I'm just gonna use zip ties again because I don't have any bolts for it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. There we go. There's that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck that out of the way because I do have a check engine light and I just want to see if it'll go off with that. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave that there and come over here. Now I'm gonna pop this zip tie and pull this thing up out of here. I'm just gonna toss that to the front. Why is this such a tight fit? My old one's not this tight. Should literally just slip on out. There we go. And there we have it. Old one. You can see the wire got all chewed up. So it does work because I seen it when we traded it. It was all get it rigged. It does work. But let's go ahead and get the new one. Let's double check our parts first. Yeah, they look the same. So, and then, so these little tabs just slip down right there, and there's this side right there, and then you have one hole, two, or, oh wow, this one, the bolt is actually broke off in there. So yeah, but you have this and this over here for the holes. So we'll go ahead and get this one in there. And there you have it. just like that. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with this. Maybe if I put it back in its little hole, and I can sneak this underneath. No, doesn't work like that. So I guess we'll just plug it in on the front, like so. And we'll just tuck it like that. So, there's a bolt in there. I gotta try and get out, but first we're just gonna run a zip tie through this. I really hate these stupid little things. Okay, there we go. I probably should have ran this a little bit different, but it's okay. So there's one. I don't know what to do about this one because I don't really want to pull that bolt out right now. Yeah, I think sounds good. I'll get some bolts and put them in there later, but there you guys have it. Now let's check to make sure it works. I don't know, or we'll have to hook up the battery again first. Man, I'm gonna need some new battery terminals. This thing is freaking wrecked, man. Alright. So, moment of truth. See if this bad puppy works. Now in my 90, as soon as I had power to it, the fan would turn on. So, I don't know if this is going to be the same way or not. This is going to be really loud. We'll let it warm up to temp and see if it kicks on like it's supposed to. If not, I have to figure something else out. It's working. I don't know if you can hear me. It's so damn loud. And we're getting up to temp. It is idling a little high, I think. I don't know, but this thing is just ridiculously loud, dude. And my check engine light did go away. Sweet. So all I need is my exhaust, and I am ready for emissions. I just want to see if it actually cools down like it's supposed to, because the guy had the head gasket and stuff replaced, so, and he drove it pretty far away. Pretty far away when I got it from him, so it should work, and it didn't overheat, so we'll see. And I drove it like 25 minutes home with no fan, so we should be golden. So the fan does work and everything like that, like you guys just seen. I just made sure that the Jeep wouldn't overheat or anything sitting idling, blasting the AC. It doesn't, so we're good to go. That one is fixed, and now we just need my exhaust to show up so we can go run emissions. And I also have to figure out an issue where I just put it in, I cycled it through the 4-wheel drive, and now my part-time light is stuck on, so now I gotta deal with that. So that's fun, but hopefully you guys did enjoy. Has been Anthony. Hopefully this video was helpful, and hopefully maybe you guys are just sticking around to watch the Jeep's progression. But yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.